Midjourney just had a major update for Midjourney V7. They call it Omni reference. And what you can do with Omni reference is you can put any type of object or character into any other type of scene. So they say it's a new way to say put this in any image for characters, objects, vehicles, and more. So you see in this image where they have this person who's taking a picture, like a selfie, but they were able to transform the guy into a dude wielding a staff. Totally different art style, but still preserve the person. Even with the woman who's holding the selfie, he's able to turn her into some tarot cards. He's playing some cards, but different art style, but still looks like the same character. You even have this old lady who's in a scarf. Then you can see her playing with dogs and levitating. I know, right? But it's still pretty cool. They even have objects. They have this couch where it transforms that couch into, well, the couch is there with a dog sitting on it in a junkyard. As well as they have this sword where you see this knight is holding a sword with that same object. Even like animals, how they have the turtle and they transform the turtle into some schematics. Even with this image where it has this kind of elf looking person, but it's more like an animated style. But now you see it looks more like a realistic person, like some type of movie about elves. Different art style, but still same character. They did the same thing for this woman who's holding a sword and like a portrait, old school portrait, like a painting, but now they transform her into a statue. Same thing they did with this anime looking character, and they made her realistic on the right. I haven't honestly got a chance to play around with this, but this does seem very helpful when you're trying to, well, create a pretty authentic character, a total image, and put it all together into one thing that you had in your head. But Midjourney was one of the first image generators that took off, and I think a lot of people still use it. I may have to do a video on is Midjourney worth the hype, because me personally, I more use Ideogram than I do use Midjourney, but Midjourney always has looked good, and it was always one of the best image generators if you ask people. But tell me what you think down below. Do you think that Midjourney Omni reference is the game changer and it definitely helps you with you creating different AI images? Or are you like, it's not better than ChatGPT's image generator? With that being said, if you want to keep up with the latest and greatest AI news, robotics news, quantum news, you should definitely like and subscribe. With that being said, your boy Dexter out.